Yeah, this is in, welcome to Shrock Fabrication, Lancaster County, Bergenham, PA. En ik ga eigenlijk ben ik van de shop wijzen door. Was met die dat doos en dat zijn de shop die maar aluminum schaffen. Man, shiny aluminum racks. Zo hebben. Shiny aluminum racks is coated in met PVC so it's not damaged that and door hebben hem on sake. That rollers is coated in with PVC. No, them a lot of custom wrought iron forging. A lot of stuff, with this German equipment. All kinds of different stuff. So here we have some equipment is the belly pickets on all kinds of forming dies. I mean scrolls all kinds of scrolls when glaze is froze and Medin do here levy some stuff by us. Doesn't railing us much. Very typical. As many you pick a twist them, doesn't unrailing is in a different steps gate to that. So doesn't presses much. Use of production parts, These in Pashta against the Strasbourg Railroad and railroad fence. Doesn't stand or twisted. Really gentle and no tighter and no bit of gentle dot. Loose, tight, loose. Tightly twisted.
Is dat alles gedoe
Samen gedoe koud, samen gedoe hees. Dat is wel wel gedoe hees. Dat is aluminum. Dat is square and rund samen getwist. Maar really shiny echo shelf brackets. Dat is not like shiny, pick it up. Nine a railing gear. Chisel line and twisted. So then my baskets, man. My basket machine is got dough. This machine got dough on it. A machine that baskets, man. It does shape being football. And football and football. And that's what a candlestick design. But in different finials, Maha field made driven the showroom is going on the markets in. Now I'm a nibble again with guys and railings and bar and fence. What's that for some type? That's dozen sway dishes railings bar. This ash dish in modern rails is upside down right now. That's gate 9 Philly. Bench up about 6 house could be so about in Hunt and railing in the house. The next dish is in fence is Strasbourg Railroad. Gates of Strasbourg Railroad. From the river. Die da Fenjels und die Blumen sind nicht aus dem Markt, anywo. Das ist etwas, das wir machen. No haben wir some welders though, doesn't take welder. That's just being Cadillac machine. The guys being Cadillac for and John Deere for. For Ken comparison, the Miller machines inside of being international tractor for. Zo is hem een gate maken. Als kookwenning wie dat doen, een gate, 2 gates, is geen 9 Lancaster City van Reich 1.
Hoeveel deze dat kost je dan?
Oh, some, ik ben rond 7,000 or 8,000 grave that project long. No, the Hunna is in my production parts. There's no dish mainly that grossy driveway gates. There's those in on 8 by 20 foot dish. That's one is production parts and the parts Tom and Welder. Those my finials. That's what my finials talking about. That's a jiggy mock-up shunt 12 years ago. Yep, that's Jacob said, so on my ass the welding table, he caught up my the business start up at $5,000. That's so dish dough. Well, my ass the welding table. No I'm a sweep and a Scotchman cold cut steaks and a bandsaw. I'm nothing stall rack the driller. An aluminum dot as well. No, don't have him on stall rack. That's mostly tubing though. Those in some von unser rollformers manasnem auf job site for railing rollen radius grid. Das ist unser installed truck though. Wir machen unsere eigene truck racks für Backup Snyder. Steak Snyder. Die trucks sind fully equipped for the project. When we're asking, sie haben Schrauber, bolts, sie haben stakes, clamps, 2 sweepers, generator, pour rock. Sie sind fully equipped mit paint, mit alles. So hier ist unser welding truck, 24-hour emergency. Wir gehen nass und light callen, alles schnell. Das ist all equipped. Mit uns dabei alles, du denken kannst. Hat 500 foot von welding cable draw. Das ist Stoll of our 2 Molschunt, das welding cable. Grotto hin up the truck. But cost me about $2,000 I'll replace it. That truck is all equipment. Drills, core drills, and on a lot of coring equipment. So, torch and welder. We hebben 101 rails wie das do. Some voor wenig langer, some voor wenig korter. Men die do and the guys and they all installed in wenig has drive nog in a high rise. And that is some van de junk ones die raas noemen hen. They rushed hier. Were replaced met die aluminum ones.
So for balconies, that what you
Yeah,
said?
balconies in a high rise.
Okay.
Driving liddits. One job, gebied ze etliche different contractors en endlich had alle rausgebacken met hen direct gedeeld met de development or de Luther Care and retirement plots.
Okay.
En met hen directly gedeeld met. Dat is dus een pile railing als part van de project in Nunegate in Philly. We hebben alle hazen gedaan zo. Seems an ongoing thing. Dat is de modern. Ik heb iemand gedroomd van mailboxen maken. Ik heb ze design gehad en alles. Nu heb ik staat die daar verkocht. Die daar zijn commercially gemaakt. So, ja, maar verkopen die. Nou we in de showroom gaan. Dat is een vinyl net on the market is anyhow. Ik heb een lightning nummer te dat. So heb ik een mold gemaakt ervoor. And let me see, those animal now on the market is now on the market is in aluminum. That is net on the market in aluminum. Some stuff is net. My stuff, bunch of floor plates. My sadavim again. Those stickers my forged in. Ik gleich zouden dat stuff. Dat is een prijsstick voor leidwijze. Dat is de candlestick football basket. And light really glad how we didn't sell, weet. Zeiden dat alles doen na. Ze zouden impressive is. Ze gaan gaan een joint vinden.
Ja, wie dient dat?
Maar die zelf met de hebelmachine dat driven, so dat machine, de candle kan niet bij explainen, maar het is zo, en Andreas Ebeek, en nog
al die verstaan met is al die sticker doen.
Het is al die sticker naast te doen.
Ja, oké.
Naast te doen.
Oké, dat is dus nu.
Waar het Andreas, wij treffen was met pressure van dat. En zo was de baskets vorm.
Ja.
En daar zijn some shiny scrolls als ik mijn design hin net on the market zijn. Ja, lots and lots van toy trucks gemaakt, flatbeds. Dus daar bracht nog een axle door, maar met die tri-axles, met die lowboys, flatbeds, yeah, a bunch of different things.
No, verkoop het on the toy store?
Yeah, this is actually toy shops order ze in advance. Ze gaan to shows. En ze dan bij immer afverkopen. Dat is een grote basket. I know, daar hebben ze some railings as small. Different styles. Cable railing. That does really in channel though. That's those using a lot of advertising because this is really channel railing with the scroll that one, the scrolls that one on the bottom, with the bands through. That is on Shay one. You like this color with the patina through. These are all different side of powder coated. Those are the modern ones, cable, and those are rods. And now have I you have fire truck, man. You have a lot of weather vanes, man. Skids from weather vanes shunting. That's those in fire truck. That's those actually owns a fire truck in Bird in Hand fire station, the hand in hand fire station. Those in Picket as personally marked up. Usually then my guys pickets my hobby. Jag har dog ma. På väst är alla sådana VB. And was Madin is some stuff is at the website. My brach at the website gay at shrockfab.com. The website shrockfab.com. Dat wij komen bisschen mehr sehen was Blatsnap do stuff. Lot of that stuff at the candle design. Candles the brains hinting the complicated stuff. Du Hibbes and dish is it design hop. There's no dish.
Wo ist
Oh,
der
that's the candle.
That's the Stanley Shrock?
Yeah.
Okay.
Candle's the brains he need this do. He need the complicated stuff and that's totally. Candle get something here's below we hinna know the bish grat now.
Was het zo in de plein?
We have shop is 2 uur de morgen.
I know
Oh,
what's
wait.
the captain.
En but till this 12 heb ik een bid grik als je het mis een groot opschaffen voor een grote commercial project als wij in een office en ben bewer een grote contractor als helpen. So, grote complicated stuff met lots and rotate.
Mhm.
So, oh, het is alright, okay? I mean, ik ben bought in een wereld. Ik heb een Apple wil een wine cellar gate en ik bracht Apple naschikken voor de design finalize en voor de template toe. En ik geloof ik zal give us the pop.
Mhm.
But Apple we sell ik wil net sell it too because I've been too overwhelmed with too few projects and gay. Alles is goed. Plenty of it.
Mhm.
Too few of it.
Nou, met zijn meeleidingen.
Yeah, well,
Nice
my
farm.
job is for all Apple busy holders, so when you blend the arbor hop a bit, it's also a good thing. Well, ik hop
Beef-
net helemaal blenden.
Hoeveel leidt zijn en schaffen al in de company?
Mehen but tail light right now. Mijn tail light doing shopping. So,
Zoals met eigen de...
zelfs met mich in de pop.
Ja, zeer. Oké.
There's some tomato cage. Mention a lot of tomato cages. Come on. It's in stackable. It's stack of 9 on them.
Mhm.
Nog better die door 2 rods en zo is net zoveel plaats zo. En like zei dat is een dish die gemaakt heb. Oh, ik denk zo about 10 jaar trick. Like klaar herself. Ze is now full van drawings. Storage. Kendall did all the grocery drawings. Even shop drawings for a grocery railing job and commercial show house. Kendall did all the drawings. So however, the Kendall's I dream horse though. This is an European horse though. Aston Raw 1500 series.
En die hebben dat nog gemaakt? En de...
Wir haben das anders das Design, wir haben kein gebaut wie das noch in der Zeit. Das ist ein Kensington Style. Wir haben a lot of horse stalls gemacht over the year.
Had jij nog...
Lots and lots van them.
Had jij nog een computerprogram? Is dat zelfs een image maken kan zelf? Zien wie het kookt?
Net and color image, just was to say
Ja.
still.
Ja. Maar ik geloof dat het kan zelf geweest is.
No, those and pickets. Dat is een lot maar hadden we.
Okay.
Yeah, about 13 or 14 pickets designed dus das Jahr. There's those in a fence job. Let's do about an $80,000 pool fence. Do. An Apple pool fence bill. Man, all that's still hammered in house version. Pushed. There still is no texture. Men, that's still my Roman cemetery. That's still about me apple I use it in cemetery or business me in a Blatzes epis alt representative. All right, well, thanks also about the end when the Shrock Fabrication Tour. Any people can get Google on shrockfab.com. Virgil is my cousin. I still want this video on them. And basically, for the Pennsylvania Deutsch, that's the actually my shop gave up in Deutsch, glaube ich. That's ja any, huh? Oh, yeah, about any old dog boy apple. Magrin a lot of psuk from out of state, a lot of visitors, a lot of tourists. So, yeah, see you in the movie.